You might think this is only a bolt, but it is so much more than that. It is a bond that keeps everything together. Fasteners might seem small in comparison with the system they are built into or a part of, but a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. The fasteners we make are directly responsible for the safety of humans, protection of the environment, minimizing downtime, and above all, lightweight construction. This is why at Blaj Fasteners we have a great responsibility. Only the best products made from the best supplied materials are sustainable, and we believe in sustainability. More than 60 experts are working daily to develop the best engineering solutions and products, not only to meet standards, but to exceed them. We take our job seriously. We look at bolts and see bonds that keep everything together. Check out where Blaj Fasteners are being used with our augmented reality application.